Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's go over how to convert this repeating decimal 666 repeating into a fraction. So let's begin with this. We're going to set x is equal to the repeating decimal 666 repeating. Okay, and now I'm going to write two equations based on this. Equation 1 is I'm going to set the repeating decimal, which is 6, to the left of the decimal point. So if I have 6, 6, 6 repeating, and I want this 6 to the left of the decimal, I can multiply it by 10, and that moves the decimal to right there. What I do to one side of the equation, the right side, I need to do the same to the left. Now the next equation I'm going to write is just the original equation with the repeating decimal to the right of the decimal. So I'm going to write a 0, then 6, 6. And remember, both of these are repeating. Now I just subtract these two. I don't know what happened there with the squiggly line. 10x minus x is 9x equals, these 6's cancel, and you're left with 6. Okay, now let's rewrite this. 9x equals 6. Let's get x by itself by dividing through by 9 on both sides. X is equal to 6/9. And I can further simplify that by dividing it by 3 will go into 6 and 9. 3 goes into 6 2 times, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. So 666 is 2/3. I hope that was helpful.